Hey guys, what is going on? Mike here from Altcoin Freedom. Now, the picture we're looking at right now is Li River in China. Beautiful, beautiful country. I want to get back to China someday soon. I spend a lot of time in Asia. I was fortunate enough to spend some time in some of the beautiful cities in China. Delicious food, wonderful people, and I hope to get back soon. You know, that's a goal of mine. I talk about on the channel a lot, travel. It's my passion, and it's actually my motivation to have some good investments in crypto so that I can do some world traveling again, and maybe me and my wife can head off into early retirement. So I hope you guys are big travel fans too, and I'd like to know what you guys think about China. If you've been there, or if you'd like to go, what cities would you like to see? And if you're watching this video from China, let me know what city you're in, and recommend some other places for our viewers and myself too that we could check out if we're fortunate enough to get to China someday, guys. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about something my friend was telling me today. Don't sell Bitcoin and don't sell Tron anytime soon. So 2 coins. We know Bitcoin's moving up right now, guys, surging maybe over 8,000 soon enough. This could be very good for Tron too. Now, here's why. If you're a big Tron fan, you know about all the news, you know about all the secret project coming up, you know about the virtual machine coming up, and you know basically how bearish the market's been the past few months, but some projects have been progressing with partnerships and technology, right? The platforms have kept rolling along, and that's something that Tron has done. So with all the market, all the coins being in the red, most recently in the last little while, July, we've seen Bitcoin slowly but surely start to rise, okay, and test resistance levels and keep rising. Now, we haven't seen that in Tron right now, but the thing is, Tron, it hasn't surged like Bitcoin, but a lot of investors are beginning to really take notice of Tron, and with all the news coming out, there's been heavy trading in Tron. So some people are dumping Tron, some people are holding into it, but I mean, we're going to see basically the result of this bullish outlook that we're seeing in the market right now. If Bitcoin takes off, then Tron could be, with all the partnering and all the news, they could be set to be positioned to maybe move very good in this bullish market that we could be entering. Because we know right now, Tron, guys, it's busy partnering with all the big companies. Most of the crypto exchanges have resumed their withdrawal deposits of the new Tron token. And if we're just getting into the start of a new crypto bull run that could be happening in the next little while, the next couple of weeks or months, or whenever it happens, when this institutional money comes into Bitcoin, it's difficult to say what will happen for both, but we can say if Bitcoin starts moving, Tron could be pulled along with it because of all the news that's coming out and the progression they've made in this bearish market. So it's a lot of reason to hold on to Tron and Bitcoin and not sell them anytime soon, because we're seeing a little bit of a bullish outlook. So what we should talk about, what my friend was telling me the most about the faith he has in Tron and why Tron could fly high before the end of the year is he was talking about how tough quarter 2 was, right? It was a very tough quarter, not just for Tron or Bitcoin, but all the cryptocurrencies. But now that we're getting into the beginning of July, everything's starting to change, right, in the crypto market. At this moment, we're seeing a very high buying volume, okay? So it's kind of currently on the high side, this buying volume, and things are starting to look good, and hopefully very good if we can keep this up. But all the bears haven't been pushed away yet totally, but TRX is kind of proven that it's one of the most promising digital coins right now in the sphere. Got a lot of recognition, and hopefully we can push our way back up to be one of the top cryptos if this bullish sentiment keeps really going and kind of takes over. One of the news pieces that I've heard about is MasterCard's patent. They have a patent where they're going to be linking cryptos with fiat accounts. So it's kind of a new turn around the cryptocurrency world, and could be affecting Tron as well, because we know a lot of the banks, they're going to get pushed aside if they don't adapt and kind of integrate with this technology. So a lot of the banks don't want to just get pushed to the side and watch the world advance in blockchain without them. They kind of want to be a part of it. So MasterCard has been given a patent, and what it does is they have the right to manage reserves of blockchain currency. So what they're going to do is they're going to be using their crypto credit, okay? So you can have crypto credit and fiat and basically buy goods very soon with your crypto credit. So basically, I guess, guys, what they're saying is we could have 2 linked accounts in a bank, one for fiat and the other for cryptocurrency. And the currency will be one of the bank's coins that they're featuring, and people are saying maybe Tron and Bitcoin will undoubtedly be coins that are featured on this bank, on this platform, okay? So that could be interesting stuff. We know Tron's making lots of partnerships behind the scenes, guys. You never know what's coming out there with Justin Sun, but he's always up to good things, right? And he's promising a lot of stuff, and he's delivering on a lot of stuff. So basically, there's been a big increase in demand for TRX, and I think that's another reason why I like to hold on to my Tron, because I don't really know what's going to happen with it. It could be going down a little more. but maybe that's a good time to buy more, right? Or it could be taking off anytime soon. So I don't really know what's happening right now, but I'm going to hang on to my Tron, and I'd like to know in the comments what you guys are going to do with your Tron. Are you moving out of your Tron into Bitcoin right now, guys, or are you holding on to it? Because right now it's one of the cryptocurrencies with a huge trading average volume. I think it's hitting around 190 million every day. So it's one of the most traded cryptocurrencies in the market right now, guys. So people are using Tron and they're very interested in it. So I think as we keep going in the next little while and Bitcoin, keeps pushing and pushing, if money floods into Bitcoin, it could be very good for the market, and a lot of the alts could be pulled along like we've seen before, and Tron could be positioned to have massive potential to go very high with that. And I wouldn't be surprised to see that. I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin, surging past 8,000 even this week, guys. We could see Bitcoin hitting over 8,000 if it keeps going the way it's going, and it could be a turnaround for the market. And Tron is positioning itself with all the trading that's going on, all the news articles, all the interest. It could be one of the coins that really enjoys a big boost from all this money that's coming into Bitcoin. So let me know what you're doing with your Tron in the comments below, guys. If you're going to pick up some more, hang on to what you got. Or maybe you're thinking, I'm going to get out of. Maybe you're someone who's dumping your Tron right now and going to pick it up again at a lower price if you think that's what's happening. So share your wisdom and knowledge in the comments below, guys. Give people ideas of some other ideas they could be thinking about what to do. And if you are new to the channel, we have a safety tip for you. If you're not new to the channel, we can sign off. Thanks for watching the video, guys. And that's it for this one. But if you're new to the channel and you want to learn about how to protect your crypto for you and your family, or you just haven't done it yet, here's a little safety tip we're always pushing on our channel. Here's a little friendly reminder. We're going to help one person a day, one person per video in the crypto world. Get yourself a hardware wallet if you haven't. Everyone's doing it that are long-term holders. They know how to secure and store their crypto. So don't be one of the people that just leaves your crypto sitting on an exchange or on your computer wallets, because basically, if it's just sitting around exchanges and sitting around on your wallets and your computers, you don't own your crypto. Someone can just take it. It's the same as leaving your cash outside your house on your step and expecting it to be there in the morning. Some morning you'll open your door and that cash will be gone. So don't wait till it's too late and you're, basically all this money you've been investing, hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, it could be gone. So don't let that happen. And then you and your family miss out on all this investment and future wealth you could have. So it's the best investment you can make, guys, to protect yourself first, right, and your family. And it's a small price to pay if you've already been investing hundreds or thousands of dollars in crypto. It's such a small price to pay to secure that. And you don't want to be part of this $1 billion of crypto that has been hacked and stolen off exchanges and computers. So this message is important, guys, first to protect you. And then once you learn how to handle and store your crypto securely, we're also going to educate the whole market. So it's kind of a movement, guys. Let's make a movement. And if we can educate the whole crypto space to be smarter, then our whole market cap of the whole industry is going to rise, right? So every one person a day, if we can get educated to secure our crypto so we have less stories about hacks and people losing crypto, and then our outside the world friends aren't coming into crypto because of those stories. Let's make the whole market cap grow by making it safer. And guys, another bit of advice is I use 2 hardware wallets like a lot of my friends and the guys sitting around the room here, and I know a lot of you guys too, maybe even 3, but I have a backup wallet long term, I have it in a safe place, and I have another wallet that I keep with me so I can make transactions and keep some crypto with me when I need to use it for whatever I'm doing. So basically, get yourself a hardware wallet. I'm giving some hardware wallets out to my friends. I'm telling friends every day about crypto, and I give them a hardware wallet before I ever let them buy crypto, so just so they know how to start off safe. So you can do that too, guys. Educate your friends, but educate yourself first and save your crypto. And don't wait till it's too late. Don't think, oh, tomorrow. One day it'll be too late. So be smart, and you got to get it from the manufacturer where you know it's never been tampered. And if you don't know where to get a wallet, if you're new to crypto, we put a link down below where you can get a hardware wallet directly from a manufacturer. Okay, so check that out, and you can get one of the best hardware wallets on the market. So check out the link below. And you can also, if you're going to grab yourself a Binance account for the future, even if you're not using it now, guys, just there's a link below it. If you don't know where to get a Binance account, you can sign up and make your account for the future, so you're safe for the next bull run and you can participate on Binance, no problems. Guys, as always, it's a pleasure talking to you guys, getting your messages and hearing from you. I was getting some tweets and messages as we were talking right now. And I hope if you could do me a big favor, always if you could give this video a like, guys. I appreciate that so much. I really appreciate you guys for doing that. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so you can catch our next channels and join our community. And if you subscribe, you can send me private messages and ask me whatever you want, and I can share maybe some of these things we're talking about in the room tonight I can share some of that information with you, ideas, but I can definitely get your ideas too. You can, private message us. So please do that, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Protect your crypto, protect your family's future wealth. All right, guys, have a great day or night wherever you are around the world, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.